Hi everyone, come on in. It's another session of Art with Ruris. So this is a continuation of the series for the dForce animation. In this part 3, I show you how I change the texture for the LED screen behind the news presenter. So this technique can be used to change any texture of any object. So let's take a look at the scene. So the default TV screen is showing this image. So what you need to do is you need to go on this surface selection tool. You need to click on the object that you want to change. So notice on the scene here it says stage instead of something obvious like TV or big LED screen or anything like that. So what you need to do is you need to from the default parameters, you need to go down to surface. So over here, it could be a compilation of many objects. So choose the one that looks more reasonable to you. So in this case, it's screen. So normally, the texture is applied on the base color, but since this is an emission object, the creator put it on the emission color instead. But either way, the way to change is the same. What you do is you highlight it, then you see that because you changed it. So normally, what you see here is the path to the texture file. So that is where you put your runtime on. So what you should do is you can just browse to it. It will be over here. Yeah. So this is where the original file path looks like. So what you should do is you just copy this file into your project folder where you place it as a backup. You don't want to change the original. So for mine, I just place it over here under my RAWs folder. I place it here, screens.jpg. So you can use your favorite image editor. For mine, I use Photoshop. So I got this image over here. It's great. I will assume you already prepared the image which you want to use to the new image you want to use to replace. So for mine is this breaking news pants. Control T. Yeah, it doesn't quite fit. Yeah, no worries. So what I do is I just create a layer of this guy first. So I just do the selection. Okay, so now I go to brush tool. I'm just paint black. Okay, great. Remove the selection. Okay, so I place the changes I want on top, so I get this thing. So you can just control shift alternate E and to combine the images. You can call this a combine layer. Then you can export, then you will get a result similar to this, which I save as new screens v1. So we go back to your Daz Studio. So click on the icon over here, on browse, select the new image you created. Boom. Just in case it doesn't update, you can take a look over here, this extra option thing. Yeah, then you can click on this refresh images. That should work. Yeah. So there you have it. You can use this technique to, say, put a logo on a shirt or anything at all. It works. Yeah, thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing as well. I'll see you around.